Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super timely topic: how to withdraw a Matic from XMO to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. With crypto evolving so fast, securing your assets on a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano X is a game changer for safety and peace of mind. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring your Matic in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Ledger Nano X is set up and ready to go. Update your Ledger device to the latest firmware. It's crucial for 2025 compatibility. Open the Ledger Live app on your computer and connect your device via USB. Once it's connected, navigate to the Ethereum or Polygon app on your Ledger, since Matic runs on the Polygon network. Double-check that everything is synced up. Next, head over to your XMO account. Log in securely using two-factor authentication. Never skip this for extra protection. Once you're in, go to the withdrawal section. Select Matic as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Now, here's where you need to be careful. Copy your Ledger wallet address. In Ledger Live, go to the Accounts tab, find your Ethereum or Polygon address, and copy it. Paste this address into the withdrawal form on XMO. Don't forget to select the correct network, Polygon for Matic, to avoid any transaction errors. Before you hit confirm, enter the amount you want to withdraw, keeping in mind any network fees. In 2025, fees might be lower with upgrades, but always check current rates. Review everything twice: the address, the amount, and the network. Once you're good, confirm the withdrawal on XMO and approve it on your Ledger device when prompted. You'll see a confirmation on your screen. Sit tight while the transaction processes, which usually takes a few minutes. And there you have it. Your Matic is now safely tucked away in your Ledger Nano X. Remember, always prioritize security in the crypto world. Use strong passwords and keep your private keys offline. If you run into any issues, drop a comment below, and I'll help out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips. See you next time.